Damn, look at you. You're a one fine young looking man. You know that? You look good. You look good. You look marvelous. I don't look at myself in the mirror cause I'm a narcissist. I simply like to watch myself exist. Now I'm in a fog and mist. Now my reflection is anonymous. Ponder this. I seen a reflection of my soul in the store window. Caught in limbo cause I was dressed all in Timbos. Having fantasies of playing polo with Ralph Lauren and a Tommy Hill. And my paper thin spirit was still grieving from the Versace kill in Florida. Open the door to the store and I walk down the corridor to see they had a blowout sale on Nautica. I've always been a lord of the button down flies. Being there a half price I passing my by looking for Levi's. But guess what? All my favorite clothing lines and hip designs were being liquidized, and it made me sick to my eyes. I don't understand when I had no ends, the price is quick to rise. I'll buy a pair of trends even if it didn't fit my size. Purchase a surplus of fads from merchants whose ads made these cheap ass fabrics that were so worthless and sad just look priceless. They use unethical devices to attack my sense of self-worth during my prepubescent crisis. Fed into my insecurities, so instead of being righteous, I want everyone to see me like this. It's all about who looks the nicest. Ice is falling off my rollie onto my body. Shoot, I hope the hell it doesn't melt and ruin my Armani suit. While I'm sweating it, some kid who doesn't got any loot is buying my necklace along with my same exact khakis and army boots. What? This is blasphemous. Since Adidas tried changing its logo, there ain't nothing been as whack as this. It's probably a stunt being pulled by animal rights activists cause of all that third world country garbage. While these monkeys sweat over my name brands that exchange hands from enslaved lands, I wonder if I'm the same man without reward for what I bought but can't still afford. This is a type of self-realization that might have killed the Lord. Didn't mind working free as a walking billboard. Now I want my money back. As the ice filled and poured onto the floor, I did see a distorted reflection of my Nike hat. I don't know how others might react. For me it was an unsightly act that helped me get my psyche back. I slid 5 feet back, afraid that it might strike me. Clack, clack. Y'all think I'm kidding? Yeah, it's no big thing. What I seen made my heart hurt, stomach turn, throat burn, teeth cringe, spine tingle, and ribs sting. I noticed that the swoosh symbol was nothing but a whip in mid-swing. How could some of y'all even look at yourselves? Some of y'all even look at yourselves. How could some of y'all even look at yourselves? Look at you, Joe. Look at you. I don't look at myself in the mirror cause I'm a narcissist. I simply like to watch myself exist. I'm in a fog and mist. Sage Francis, never rock Satan's check mark. Joe Beast, never rock Satan's check mark. Non-profits will not rock Satan's check mark. AOI, TSS, probably rock. That's alright. Rhyme sayers, atmosphere, Mr. Dibs, idea and abilities, Jaybird, Salem B, ADM, Adverse, Buck 65, Anticon, Soul, Alias, 6'2", J-Zone, E-Dawn, DJ Mech, Breeze, Manic, Well, Apathy, Rhode Island.
That song was called Narcissist. It's really shitty, just like every other fucking song.